A coach is an educator in the school setting. So this could be public, private, charter school. And a mentor could be anyone over the age of 18. So it could be a parent, it could be a friend. And we've also had undergraduate students mentor as well. It doesn't necessarily have to be a professional or a scientist as a mentor. You get to create what you want that mentorship role would be for your team. We encourage educators to submit multiple teams. Typically what we find is that teachers enroll their whole class or their whole group of students, so there's no limit. The more the merrier, and we encourage multiple teams from different schools. Historically, what we've seen, parents can serve in a mentorship capacity, and what that looks like for every team could be different. It could simply be creating an online sign-up for the students to meet and bring snacks to encourage innovation, or it could be organizing the team structure and supporting the coach with the research or the engineering design processes. We encourage mentorship, but it's not required. Teams are comprised of a coach and 2 to 4 students, and mentors can serve in various capacities. What we're also starting to see are newer trends where schools and teachers are partnering with their librarian or their English teacher as a mentor to help the students finish their projects. And we love this multidisciplinary collaboration to help foster learning and innovation with the students. The beauty of the Toshiba NSTA ExploraVision competition is that this is a virtual competition where students can actually work together, where they're in person or they're in different spaces. Over the last few years, we've seen an increase in collaborative learning where students don't reside in the same state or the same cities. So we encourage that. You can actually create your own team.